Stella, can you ride a bike? Hey, who got you that bike? Huh?
Mama.
Who?
Okay.
Winner Radmila? Yeah, you're right. Uncle Iggy did, but that means like Winner Radmila got it. Okay, can you ride it and show him how you ride your bike? Huh? Can you do it? We'll send them this video so they can see how you ride your bike.
I can't.
Oh, yes, you can. Come on.
Oh, no, me can't.
Can you try?
No, me can't.
Can you try, Cookie Monster?
No. Hey, me not Cookie Monster, me Chippy.
Who? Who are you?
Me. Charades.
Who?
Me charades.
Who's that?
Charade me on the picture of the book and
Cinderella?
And other the runner line with on the picture of the book.
I don't know what you're talking about, love.
I'm talking about the princess.
Princesa, okay.
I'm talking about Charade the princess.
Ah.
Charade the princess. Charade.
I love you, Stella.
Charade. I'm not Cookie Monster.
Snow White?
Yeah.
Oh, finally got it, Mommy.
Me charade, Mom.
Snow White. Oh, you're the Snow White. Where are your dwarfs? Huh? Snow White is 7 dwarfs. Where are they? Huh?
Up in the tree. Read the words.
Hey, can you say, I love you, Ina Radmila, I love you, Uncle Iggy, I love you, Maki, I love you, Mia, and I love you, Tea, and I love you, De Cabeza. Can you say that?
I love you all, Mama. I love you, Ugly. I love you, Cookies. Ugly.
Who else do you love?
I love you, Tia. I love you, Mia. I love you. Chocolate.
And who else? You forgot one more. Maki? You say, I love you, Maki.
I love you, Monkey.
You say, I love you all.
I love you all.
Okay, can you say o pičku materinu?
O pičku materinu.
Bravo, Stella. Kaži, volim vas. Kaži.
Volim vas.
Bravo. Kaži, čao, čao.
Ciao, ciao.